I can't tell you how much I hate it here, Stan. I can't. It's not good luck anymore! Help! Help!
Get a hold of yourself. Hey, there is good news. I overcame my fear of seagulls. Roger, I think I figured out a way to get off the island. Is there such a thing as a time crab?
Shh! You're scaring the gulls. I got a lasso enough to fly me home.
I had the greatest woman in the world, and I let my insecurity ruin everything.
Ha! 13! That should do it. All right, seagulls, take me home. Yeah! Stan, dinner.